Here it is, the Black Viper. Right here, you open it up, and it has a solid D2 blade on it, and it has gripping right here, and a finger notch that's perfect for doing all sorts of survival work and hard work with your knife, okay? It's practically unbreakable. Now, when you close it up, where's the other blade? It's concealed with snap blade technology that took me a long time to invent. It went through a lot of processes, but it's finally here. So here it is. You have a little button right here, concealed into the knife. It was so important to make it indented, because if it wasn't indented, it could open in a pocket or something like that. So we had to go through a lot of technology to actually get it like that, and then boom, there's your snap blade. This is the Fang on the back of the Viper. It is so strong, you don't even have to take your knife out. So in a situation where you need to draw your knife quickly, this is perfect for it. It's a little bit of softer steel, not much, so it's razor sharp, okay? So now you have two knives in one that clips to your hip. It's light, it's easy to carry, easy to maneuver, and just has a great feel and a great grip. Here's another thing I would suggest to you. This is the most lethal knife in the world, so you are gonna have to sign something when you get this knife, when I release it on the sales page. I'm not decided on the price yet, but I guarantee it will be affordable for you, and it's a forever knife, so you'll have it forever. And that's our guarantee to you. So if you go below, you'll see a texting service. You could put your name and your number in there. Maybe it's just your number, I don't know. But go down below and do that, and I will text you 1 hour before I release it to this early bird list, 2 hours before I release it to the market. So that gives you a best chance to get one of the 900 knives left. Some have sold, and I had them as upsells, and there's raving reviews about them. So go below, tell me how excited you are, leave a comment. You also get a chance to win one down there, but the most important is make sure you put in your number so I can text you. Sometimes email doesn't deliver on time, but text will go right to you, and you'll receive the first picture and the first sales letter of this knife, and maybe you can get one or two. Great gift, and they're unbelievable. I go nowhere without it. Here's the warning. I have sold over almost 3,000 black knives so far, and they're all gonna know about the Black Viper, and it's gonna even be priced more affordable. So with that said, I wanna tell you that they're gonna fly out. Again, I only have 900, so put your name below, and on the early launch list, I'll send it out to you before anyone gets a chance to see it. So you need to move, you need to hurry, you need to get on the list for the Black Viper, another fully guaranteed forever knife that you could hold in your hand, feel safer, and be more ready in any situation. Coming soon.